I'm Burges McCowan, criminal defense attorney here in the Phoenix, Arizona area. I want to talk to you about a recent case I had involving kidnapping, ARS 13-1304. Stephen was my client, and he was charged with kidnapping and possible drug sales. This case involved the SWAT team, in fact. They really came after Stephen hard. And it's because they thought he was a gang member, and probably because it was on September 11th that the call came in. But he wasn't a gang member, and it was really just a dispute with his roommate where Stephen used some intimidating language. Now, the prosecutor still had a case where they charged him with kidnapping and being a gang member, and they were considering drug charges as well. When they first got this case, Stephen was looking at 3 to 5 years prison. The prosecutor was really serious about this case and wanted him to go to prison, even though he had never had any criminal history at all. Stephen and his parents came to me, and I went to work seeing what I could do. I talked to the prosecutor about the case and explained to him that he wasn't a gang member and that they really didn't have any evidence for that. So he gave in on the drug charge, and that was never brought against Stephen. He did still go forward with the kidnapping charge, but I was able to get him go down to probation with no jail. So Stephen was able to go on with his life without any prison or jail time. See, this case was really just a dispute between roommates. His roommate owed him money and called the police and claimed he was being kidnapped. Unfortunately, under Arizona law, it doesn't take a lot to prove kidnapping. But in this case, I was able to show the prosecutor what really happened, and he eventually agreed that he didn't have the evidence to prove that Stephen was some sort of notorious gang member, and gave him probation without jail. And now Stephen's back to work, moving on with his life. If you or someone you love have ever been faced with something like this, give me a call. I do free consultations, and I can help.